Okay, I'm going to give you another application for this. If you know the angle, if you know one slope, you can find the slope of the other. Did you follow that? If you know the angle
and one slope.
and if you know the slope, you can find the slope of the other, right?
Yes, sir.
By substituting this, you will always get two values because there's a modulus sign. Because that you'll get two values. So write a question on this. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line through the point 2, 3 and making angle 45 degrees with the line, 45 degrees with the line (2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0). First, I want you to draw the diagram for this. You have a point 2, 3. You have a line 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. We need to find the equation of this line, which is through 2, 3 and which is making angle 45 degrees with it. You got to find the equation of this line. I hope you understood the question. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, what is the slope of this line?
-2.
-2.
-2. Everybody understood that?
Yes.
Minus
Yes,
a
sir.
upon b. Minus a upon b. What you don't know is slope of this line. So which formula should I apply? I know angle, I know one slope, you want to find the other slope. So which formula should I apply?
Tan
Tan
theta
theta
equals
is
to
equal
Tan
to
theta is equal to m1.
modulus of m1 minus m2.
Yeah, so write the solution. Have you made the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Let m be the slope of the required line. Then write the slope of 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 is -2 upon -2 upon 1. That is minus. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Now write the formula and find the value of m. Therefore, tan 45 degrees is equal to, okay, first you write the formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So tan 45 is equal to m1 I'm writing as m, m2 I'm writing as -2 upon 1 plus m into -2. So 1 is equal to m plus 2 upon 1 minus 2m. Is this clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Here you have two possibilities. This value can be 1 or this value can be -1. So take two possibilities. M plus 2 upon 1 minus 2m can be 1, or m plus 2 upon 1 minus 2m can be -1. I hope you are writing with me. I'm not going to give you extra time for writing, so please write with me.
Yes, sir.
So m plus 2 is 1 minus 2m. M plus 2 is minus m plus 2m. So m is equal to, will become 3, will become 1. One possibility is 3m is minus 1, so m is minus 1 by 3. Another possibility is m is 3. So there are two lines like passing through this point. One line I will draw in a different color, this way. This is also making angle 45 with it. This is also passing through 2, 3. If slope of this is minus 1 by 3, then slope of this will be 3.
3.
So now you can find the equation of this line and the equation of this line also. So the equations of the lines are what are the point is 2, 3.
Hmm.
So y minus 3 is minus 1 by 3 into x minus 2, or y minus 3 is 3 into x minus 2. Now solve them and get their final answer. One answer would be x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. And another answer would be 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is your final answer. Very important question for 4 marks. Other diagram, other side.
BD, sir.
Yeah. So you will find
Uh,
slope of AC.
And then the diagonals are perpendicular bisector there, so the slope will be negative inverse.
But I did not ask you to find this equation of the diagonal. I'm asking you to find the equation of sides.
Okay, I thought you asked to find the equation of diagonal.
So what I'll do is,
Angle
the
between
angle would be 45 degrees.
Hmm.
Slope of this line you can calculate. Slope of this line you can find by using this formula.
Yes.
Did you follow that? This problem is same thing only. Almost same problem. Here I followed, or they will give you equation of one of the diagonal and the vertex, or one vertex. Find the equation of the sides. So that will be your homework today. Everybody heard the homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we go for the next formula.
Sir, 1 minute. Only 1 minute.
What you wanted? What?
Sir, only 1 minute. I have to write this. Only 1 minute.
Which one? This one?
No, sir. Black one. Black handwritten one. This one. Yes, sir.
Now what I'm going to teach you is, if I give you a point here, and if I give a lines equation, how will I find this distance? I'm going to teach you a formula to calculate distance from point to the line. So what is the formula? The perpendicular distance of the point from the point, the perpendicular distance from the point, alpha comma beta, to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I'm not going to give you the proof of this. I'm going to directly give you the formula. What you do is, this formula has got a numerator and the denominator. Numerator is obtained by substituting the point in the equation. You substitute the point in the left-hand side of the equation, what do you get? A into alpha plus b into beta plus c. Is it clear? How do you get the numerator? Just tell me. Take the point and replace it in place of x and y.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Answer will not be 0. Why the answer will not be 0? Because point is not on the line. If the point was on the line, your answer would have been 0. Since a point is outside the line, this answer will not be 0. And then divide it by a root of coefficient of x a square, coefficient of y b square. This is
B
a
square.
formula to calculate perpendicular distance from a point to a line. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Most important question.
Yes, sir.
So, if I am giving you, can you please write down?
Yes.
Perpendicular distance from the point alpha comma beta to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is, try to write without looking at the formula. Done?
No, sir. One.
Okay. Find the length of the perpendicular. From origin. Origin is 0, 0. To the line 3x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. Find the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Directly write the answer. What to do?
First, we'll substitute the values in the equation. That is
3 into 0 3
into 0
plus 4 into 0 minus 2.
minus
2. It will
Divided
be
by
y
root
3 square plus 4 square.
0.
3 square plus 4 square. Yeah.
not 0, coefficient
Okay.
of x square and coefficient of y square.
Yes, sir.
So not the point. So 2 upon 5 unit. Followed? Now calculate again. Find the perpendicular distance from minus 4 comma 3 to the line 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y minus 6. Can you tell me why did they give like this format of, we never write the equation of line in this format, but why did they give you this format? To make you understand, you can apply the formula only when the line's equation is in this format. Don't substitute the point in this way, then your answer will go wrong.
Yes, sir. We
So
have
you
to
will start
solve
writing,
first.
given equation of the line is given equation of the line is 4x minus 3y 20
Plus
and
38.
plus 38 equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the perpendicular distance from minus 4 comma 3 is write your answer. Yeah, somebody has given me the answer. Who is that? Let me check. Yes, Sanam has given 13 by 5. Parinita has given 13 by 5 unit. Kashish has given me the answer. Good. Can I twist the question now? Has everybody done this?
Yes, sir.
If a line 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 touches the circle with center at 1 comma minus 1, then find the radius of the circle. Here is a circle. Here is a line touching it. And here is the center of the circle. And this is 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. What to do?
So draw a perpendicular from center of the circle to line. That is the radius of circle itself.
Yes, sir.
This
Yeah.
will be radius.
Same.
Now, how will I find this radius?
Sir, construction.
I taught you a formula just now, no?
No,
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
sorry.
Formula by that
So what will say?
A
Radius is
alpha
equal
plus
to,
B.
yeah, perpendicular radius is equal to perpendicular distance from 1 comma minus 1 to the tangent. What is the tangent? 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Now calculate, फटाफट calculate करके बोलो. We'll have some third in the denominator, doesn't matter. Yes, somebody has given me the answer. Who's the first to give? 9 upon 2 root, Kashish Tiwari has given. 9 upon 2 root 5. Okay, let me check. 4 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 upon root of 4 square plus minus 2 square. See, be careful here. Huh? The minus 2 is squared. So you will get positive number only. 4 plus 2 plus 3 upon root of 20. That became 4 plus 2, 6, 9. 9 upon 2 root 5 unit. Yes. Finished, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Can I give another question? In a triangle ABC, the coordinate of A is 4, 2. Coordinate of B is 4, 1. Coordinate of C is 2, 3. Find the length of the altitude from A, from the vertex A of the triangle ABC. Here A is given
4, 2.
4, 2. Here B and C are given. B is 4, 1 and C is 2, 3.
First, we find the equation of BC, and then by formula, we find A to D altitude.
Very good.
Oh, okay.
Excellent, Anna. So first you will find equation of BC. Either you can find the equation of UBC by using
2-point formula.
2-point formula, or you can by slope point form. That is your wish. So y minus 3 upon 1 minus 3. X minus 2 upon 4 minus 2. Y minus 3 upon minus 2 is x minus 2 upon 2. That is 2 can be cancelled off. Y minus 3 is minus x minus 2. So x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of BC. Now length of the altitude is nothing but perpendicular distance from 4, 2 to this line. So length of AD is, you may write the formula A alpha plus B beta plus C upon root of A square plus B square. This is up to you, whether you want to write the formula or not, or think the way I taught you. Substitute the point in the equation and divide by root of A square plus B square. 4 plus 2 minus 5 divided by root of 1 square plus 1 square. Let me check who has done it. Yes, 1 by root 2. Kashish has given 1 by root 2. So 1 by root unit. I hope you understood, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to teach you next question.
So 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay, I'll give it. What is the distance between parallel lines? Let's say this equation is ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. If the lines are parallel, the slope should be same. So this equation also will be ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. And I want to find this distance. Understood the question? Can anybody give me some idea? How will I find this distance? Okay, since you don't have an idea, I'll tell you the idea. Anybody want to speak? I'm taking a point on this. So I can calculate now this distance. It will be A into alpha, B into beta, plus C2 divided by root of A square plus B square. Do you agree with the statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, but alpha beta is a point on this line. So alpha beta should satisfy this equation.
Yes,
A
sir.
alpha plus B beta plus C1 should be 0. Which means I can remove this much and put what there? I can put minus C1 there.
Minus 1.
So your formula became C2 minus C1 upon root of A square plus B square. So I don't have to take any point directly. I can use this formula. Difference between the constant term divided by root of A square plus B square.
So why did you switch that into minus C1?
Because here to do this problem, I need a point on the line. Now, once I use this formula, I don't need a point on the line. Directly, I can calculate. How did I switch it? Is because this point is on this line. It should satisfy the equation. If I replace x by alpha and y by beta, I should get the answer 0, right? That means A alpha
Yes.
plus B beta will be always minus C1.
Minus C1.
So I can replace this by minus C1.
Okay.
C2 minus C1 upon root of A square plus B square. Understood the formula? So now you tell me, 3x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Find the distance between these two lines. Are they parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because both have same slope.
Yes, sir.
So what is my formula now?
Minus C.
Minus 7.
Minus 7.
Any one of them you can take.
Plus 2.
Minus 2
Divided by
under root 3 square plus 4
plus 4
square.
square.
3 square plus 4 square. So my answer will be minus 5 upon 5.
Yeah.
And
It
that will be
will
1
be-
unit.
1 unit, yeah.
So distance between the parallel lines is 1 unit. Has everybody understood? So you don't have to every time take this point like this and do it. Is it clear to you? I just showed you the proof how you get this formula. So write down the statement. Distance between the parallel lines. Distance between the parallel lines. Write the equation. Ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Distance between parallel lines. Ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0 is modulus of c1 minus c2 upon root of a square plus b square. Because it is in modulus. Because it is a modulus, whichever one you want, you can write first. Either C1 minus C2 or C2 minus C1. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then practice one problem. Find the distance between the parallel lines. Find the distance between the parallel lines. Okay. 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Write your answer. Directly write the answer. Write the formula, substitute, and write the answer.
Eight
minus
minus of 1 divided by
3 square plus.
3 square plus 4 square.
So answer became 9 by 4.
9 by 5.
Okay, last one more question. Find the distance between the lines 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 and 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. What do you notice here? Is there any difference with the previous problem and this problem?
So the slopes are different.
Slopes are different. So first of all, you will have to make this a and slopes of this line. What is the slope of this line?
Slope is
Minus
3 by 2.
3 by
What
2.
slope of this line?
Minus 9 by 6.
And
Are they equal or not equal?
It's
equal.
Simplify.
So what are they parallel lines?
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the slopes are equal. But if you want to apply this formula, the previous formula, both of them should have same a and b.
So we have to
Then only
make
we
that
can apply
A
this
and B
formula.
same. Yeah.
Multiply
Either-
equation 1 by.
Either multiply the equation 1 by 3 or divide the second equation by 3. Anything. Your option is.
Sir,
So 1
multiplying
by
is
3
better.
because
Okay, equation 1 multiplied with the 3. So 9x plus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. Then equation 2 is 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, the distance between the lines is modulus of C1 minus C2 upon root of A square plus B square. That is 18 minus of minus 7 divided by root of 9 square plus 6 square. That is 25 upon root of 81 plus 36. So 25 upon, how much that? 7, 112, 117, correct?
yes, sir.
Unit. You got to find the area of a square. The equation of this side is given. 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Equation of this side is given. 4x minus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. What is the area of this square? What will you do?
Sir, multiply equation 1 by 2.
Then So if I call A, B, C, D, equation of AB is 4x minus 6y plus 3 equals 0. Equation of DC, multiply with 2, 4x minus 6y plus 8 equals 0. What will be length BC?
So if you find the distance between the two equations,
Yes, C1 minus C2 upon root of A square plus B square. So 8 minus 3 upon root of 4 square plus minus 6 square. 5 upon 16 plus 36. 52, no? So this length is 5 upon root 52. Now tell me area of the square.
25 by 52.
Area of square is equal to length of the side square. That is 5 root 52 square. That is 25 by 52 square unit. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to teach you last and final topic of this chapter, which is family of lines. This topic is actually not there in your new syllabus, but I need it.
sir, recording.
Yeah, recording here. Okay. Family of lines. Okay. Imagine I have two lines. Both the equations are known to me. For convenience, let me denote it by u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. What will be family of lines means what? What do you mean by family? Many people who have the same character, or family of lines when I say many lines satisfying this one condition, common condition. If a set of points satisfying the common condition is called locus. Set of points satisfying a common condition. What do you call that? Locus. Set of curve or line satisfying a common condition is called family. Family of circles, family of lines, family of parabola, like this you can have so many. So all the lines which I'm going to talk to you satisfy the common condition. What is the common condition is? All of them will pass through this point. All of them will pass through. Like this, I can find infinite number of lines which are passing through this point. What will be their all equation? One single equation to represent all of them. That's what I'm going to teach you. The single equation to represent all of them, if you know two equations of the line is u plus kb equal to 0. If you multiply a number with a second equation and add, you will get a line passing through this point. For example, if equation of this line is x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Equation of this line is x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Imagine that this is their point of intersection. Then what will be the equation of this line which I'm drawing? Equation of this line would be x plus y plus 3 plus some constant, I don't know what is that constant, into x plus 2y plus 1 equals 0. Now give me the logical reason behind it. First of all, is this a line? Is this equation? If I write like this equation, x plus y plus 3 plus k into x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. What does this case stands for? Any real
Constant.
number. Any real number, does not matter. Each real number will give you 1 lines. Okay, first of all, you tell me, does this equation represent a line? How do you come to know that equation represents a line? How do you come to know a particular equation? Is this equation a line?
So the general form of equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. If
I
it's,
should have only x, y, and constant term.
yeah,
Do this equation have only x, y, and constant term? Yes.
yes,
If you rearrange it, I'll get 1 plus k into x plus 1 plus 2k into y plus 3 plus k equal to 0. So this is like A, this is like B, this is like C. So this is a linear equation, therefore it represents a line. So this is a line, that is we understood. Now, does it pass through this point? That is my next question. When it will pass through this point? If this point is satisfied by this equation, if I substitute this point at this equation, I should get the answer 0. Imagine this point is alpha comma beta. If I replace alpha comma beta in this, what will happen? Alpha plus beta plus 3 plus k into alpha plus 2 beta plus 3. Will this be 0? What will be its value? Where is this point alpha comma beta? Is it on this line number 1? If it is on the line 1, it should satisfy this equation.
Yes.
Therefore, alpha plus beta plus 3 should be 0.
alpha plus beta should be minus 3.
Now again, this is also a point on this line. Therefore, alpha beta should satisfy this equation. So alpha plus 2 beta plus 1 should be 0. Which
Yes.
means this is 0. This is also 0. Therefore, 0 plus k into 0 will give you 0.
0.
Therefore, this alpha comma beta will satisfy this equation. Hence, this is an equation of a line passing through the intersection of these two lines.
Sir, can you explain the last step again where you said that both the equations?
Listen. When can I say this is a point satisfy? When can I say this point is a point on this line?
When it satisfies the equation,
Now I am
left hand side.
proving that it satisfies the equation. How I am proving it? Because it is a point of intersection of these two red lines, they should satisfy this equation and this equation.
Yes.
That means the first bracket should be 0 and second bracket should be 0 when I substitute alpha and beta in the equation. Do you agree with this?
Okay. Yeah. Understood, sir.
So because I got the answer 0 as a final answer, this answer as 0, my conclusion is alpha beta satisfies this equation. Hence, this line passes through this point of intersection. Now we come to the application. Don't write, okay? Just listen. Find equation of line passing through 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Also passing through, say 1 comma 1. Okay. So I have one line like this here. Don't write, everybody listen. Another line like this. And there's a third line which is passing through this intersection. And also that line passes through 1 comma 1.
3x minus 2y plus 5 minus 2y plus 5 आएगा ना?
Okay. Right.
Sorry for
Yes,
that.
sir.
No problem. Okay. Now, how will I find out the equation of this line? Did you understand? Our old method is we'll solve this 2-point equation and get this point. And you'll apply 2-point formula and get the equation. Right? Now I'm going to teach you a new method. Yes, something you wanted to say? Okay, now listen to me. Equation of this line got to be this equation plus k times this equation. Whose equation I'm writing? Whose equation is this?
The equation of line which we have to find. The third.
Or equation of any line passing through this point
Hmm.
will be this, right? But I don't know what is value of k.
Yes.
We know that this 1, 1 is a point on this line.
Yes, sir.
So 1,
Yes, sir.
1 will satisfy this equation.
3 minus 2 plus 1.
So 5, 6 plus k into
Yes.
6. Correct? Na? So k is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So if I
Okay,
put
sir.
k's value as minus 1 here, I'll get the equation of this. So I'm going to put k's value as minus 1 here. So what will be my equation now? 2x plus 3y plus 1 minus 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. When you take the difference, minus x plus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. So the equation of this line would be x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Those would be the equation of this line. Did you understand the method?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This topic is not there in your syllabus, but I'm just teaching you. Because we can do this problem by another method. What is the other method? Solve this two equation, get this point. Then after getting 2-point formula, you can apply. This is an alternative method. So they have deleted this from our new syllabus after the corona has come. Otherwise, this was an important topic. Did you understand? Everybody followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what will be the?
One
No, I wait.
little.
No, don't have to write. Don't have to write. Wait. Let me explain this. This is a little
Sir, 1
difficult.
minute. Previous page.
Huh? Yeah, Johar. Listen to me. Suppose I have a parallelogram. Imagine this is 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Imagine x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Imagine this vertex is 5, 3. I want to find equation of this diagonal. Usual method is you will solve this two equation and find this point and use 2-point formula. But
Yes.
now my method will be different. I can assume the equation of this line. What is the equation of this line? It is a line passing through
X plus
the
2y
2y plus 3
is
X
equals
plus
to
2.
k into
k into 3
Plus
3.
2y plus 1.
Yeah.
equals to 0.
Now only I have to find out what is value of k.
K, huh?
Yes.
This 5, 3 is a point on this line. So 5,
Yes.
3 satisfies this equation. 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus k into 15 plus 6 plus 1 should be 0. So k should be 9 minus 14, 22. Okay. Just believe me what I've written. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now k is minus 7 by 11. You replace it over here and you will get the equation of the line. So the equation of the line will be x plus 2y plus 3
Minus 7 by 11 into 3x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0.
When you take the LCM, 11 will multiply this and minus this will multiply this. Now you can expand and calculate it. Did you got the idea?
Yes, sir.
All of you followed?
Yes, sir.
So write down. Heading, family of lines. If u equal to 0 and v equal to 0 represents two intersecting lines. Then equation of any line passing through the intersection, passing through the point of intersection. Of the lines u equal to 0 and v equal to 0 is u plus kv equal to 0, where k belongs to a set of real numbers. What does k stand for? Is set of real numbers. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now you'll stop writing. I want to explain one small concept. Are you all ready for writing?
So 1 minute last.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Take your time. Take your time. Suppose I have a circle. Okay. And I have a line which is intersecting the circle. Imagine equation of the circle is u equal to 0. Equation of this line is v equal to 0. Then the equation of circle passing through their intersection will be u plus kv equal to 0. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Equation of circle you'll be learning. You have not learned that. I just want to generalize this with you. Is suppose instead of two lines, one is a circle and one is a line, then this equation will be equation of a circle passing through the intersection, not line. Passing through the equation of circle passing through the intersection of the line and the circle is given by this formula. Imagine I have two circles and I have a third circle passing through their intersection. Imagine like this. Okay, can you understand? Equation of this line, this circle is u equal to 0. Equation of this circle is u equal to 0. Equation of this circle is v equal to 0. Then equation of this circle will be u plus kv.
Plus kv equals to 0.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Another example. Imagine you have two planes. Planes, you understand? Your book, a page of a book I'm drawing. Then I have another plane like this. Okay. Then I'm drawing a third plane which is passing through their intersection. Can you understand my diagram?
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes.
Equation of this is u equal to 0. Equation of this
V
plane
is equal
is
to
v equal to 0. Then equation of this plane will be u plus kv equal to 0. Did you understand my generalization?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These things are there in your syllabus, whatever I explained to you. So I have just started because lines is there, so I have taught you this method. In these problems, we can only apply this method, u plus kv method. But in straight line, we have option of doing some other method. Did you understand what I explained just now? The meaning of u plus kv equal to 0, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's now do a problem. And this is to be done in when I'm teaching you circle, I'll do this. Till then, just only I give an introduction. Now write a question. Find the equation of the line. Find equation of a line passing through the intersection of and the equation of the line passing through the intersection of x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. And also passing through three comma 2. Make a rough diagram. Draw one line like this. Draw another line like this. Write the equation of this as x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. The equation of this as 3x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. You are asked to find the equation of a third line.
So 3x plus 4y plus 1.
Plus 1. And the line is passing through 3 comma 2. You are asked to find the equation of this. So tell me, what should I write the first sentence? Assume the equation of this line. Let the equation of, what to call this line, this black line, what should I name the black line as? Required.
Line passing through point 3 comma 2.
That is a big sentence, no? So to write short, let the equation of required line be x plus 2y plus 5. Whichever you want, you can write first. You can write this or this, whatever you feel like. All of you agreed? Somebody has already given that.
Yes, sir.
When I start my class, there'll be 45 students. In between, it'll become 41. Okay, now we have to find the value of k. Now, next line, this is the first point. Second point. Now we are going to find the value of k. 3 comma 2 is a point on it. Therefore, 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, I'll show the substitution. Otherwise, later on you may not understand. 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 5 plus k into 3 into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 1 should be 0. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12 plus k into 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So k is minus 12 by 15. Yeah.
It is 3 into 3.
Which one?
Yes, sir, it is 3 into 3.
Oh, 3 into 3. So it becomes 9.
9 plus 6.
9 plus
No, 9
8.
plus 8 plus 1.
So 18, no?
Yes, sir.
18 upon 12. Wait. So
Minus
k is
Minus 2 upon.
So it's
Minus
minus 12 by 18, that is minus 2
Right,
upon
minus
3.
2 upon 3.
now call this equation as 1. Substituting in 1. The required equation of the line is x plus 2y plus 5 minus 2 by 3 into 3x plus 4y plus 1 equals 0. So 3 into x plus 2y plus 5 minus 2 into 3x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Now just expand this and write the answer. So final answer is 3x plus 2y, 15 minus 2 plus 13 equal to 0. Is that right? Minus 13 equal to 0. Minus 13. Let me check what the two students give me the answer. Yes. Rashesh has given correct answer. Good. Since it's not that much important as far as exam is concerned, I'll do one more question, and then and you have another option or other way to do it also, no? By solving this two equation, you'll get the point. 2-point form you can apply. So that is also a right method. So it's up to you to use this method or not to use the method. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Can I change the question? Or still anybody writing? Is anybody writing?
No, sir, done.
Okay, write one more question. Find equation of line passing through intersection of x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 and perpendicular to x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. First you draw the two lines. This is x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Is it recording is on?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it is on.
Okay. I'll draw the required line with the red color. And this line is perpendicular to a third line that I'll draw with blue color. And the blue color line is x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Have you understood? This type of problem we did before, but only thing this method we did not use. What would have been your method, actual method?
To
Or
find
old
the point of intersection of these two lines.
Find the point by using the intersection of these two. Find the
Hmm.
slope of the red line using the slope of the blue line. And slope point form. Perfectly right,
Yes.
you'll get full marks. But I wanted to just teach you one more question of u plus kv equal to 0. So I am doing the problem. Okay. So in the
Yes.
examination, it's your choice which method to follow. So let equation of the required line be x plus 2y plus 3 plus k times 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. Now arrange them. What is the coefficient of x? Listen to me for a minute. What is the coefficient of x here?
1,
1,
Coefficient of x here?
3.
3.
No,
3.
3k it is. So 1 plus 3k into x. Chalega? 2 plus 4k into y.
Into y.
3 plus 7k. equal to 0.
Yes.
I'm going to find the slope, whose slope is minus a by b. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Now take the slope of the blue line.
Oh, it's -1, sir.
Yeah, minus 1. This is okay. Slope of x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 is minus a by b. Na? Minus 1 upon minus 1 become 1. So slope of required line. What will be the slope of the required line? Is minus 1. Do you agree with that? That means they both should be equal.
So -1 plus 3k upon 2 plus 4k is equal to -1.
Correct. So I will write my answer over here. Minus 1 plus 3k upon 2 plus 4k should be equal to minus 1. So 1 plus 3k should be equal to 2 plus 4k. Therefore, k is minus 1. Am I right? Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now put the k's value either in the first equation or second equation, whichever you feel like. Put k as -1 here, put k as -1 here, put k as -1 here, you get the answer. So substituting k is equal to -1 in equation 1. The required line is, required equation of the line is so what will be the answer? 1 plus 3 into -1 into x. 2 minus 4 into y. 3 minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 2x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. That is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. And that is my final answer. Yes, many students are given. Chirag, Parinita, Kashish. Good. Parinita +4 you have written. +2.
So no, I have written +4. I made a mistake there.
China might have written. No, Parinita also made a mistake. It's okay. All right. Fine. Good. All of you have followed this much?
Yes, sir.
So with this, we have finished the chapter pair of the straight line. This chapter again is continued in 12th standard. Okay. So we have learned the equation of a single line here. We will be learning equation of pair of lines. 2 lines equation we will be learning in the 12th standard.